Hershey's Chocolate World is at New York, New York, in Las Vegas. Ready to satisfy your sweet tooth in Vegas? Head to New York, New York Hotel and Casino on the Strip. It's free to enter, fun to explore, and right inside the casino level. Just follow the signs once you're in the hotel. Travelers really like stopping by Hershey's Chocolate World. This is not your average candy store. It's a two-story, 13,000 square foot flagship store, and it's full of chocolate. You'll find over 800 Hershey treats and a giant 800-pound Statue of Liberty made of chocolate. And that's truly a sight to see. There's also a large candy wall, which is perfect for an Instagrammable moment. And if peanut butter cups are your favorite, you'll love the Reese's wall of novelty gifts and merchandise. Hershey's Chocolate World also offers custom milkshakes, Reese's milkshakes, chocolate s'mores milkshakes, and plenty of varieties that you'll love. You have a bakery-style corner goods shop. They make fresh dipped chocolate strawberries and all kinds of goodies. There's nothing like the taste of smooth, rich, creamy Hershey's chocolate. Here's a secret that only I'm gonna tell you. You can ask one of the staff members at Hershey's to give you an off-menu chocolate dipped strawberry, and you can even ask for your marshmallow s'more to be extra gooey. Let's visit the Hershey's Chocolate Kisses flavor wall, where you can select your size, choose your mix, pay, and enjoy. You can have a filled gift jar, you can fill up a small bag, or you can fill up a character cup. They even have holiday cups that you can fill up and take with you as a souvenir. Here's a sweet tip that you'll love. When you're in the store, you can save $5 on purchases over $25, and you can save $10 with purchases over $50. And believe me, there's so much chocolate in this store that you'll definitely want to have a discount so that you can enjoy all the sweet treats that you love. If you're looking for photo opportunities at Hershey's Chocolate World, you want to stop by the large Hershey's Kiss and grab those photos for Instagram. There's even a photo booth where you can smile, laugh, print, and share your experience from Hershey's Chocolate World. Don't forget to turn the corner and grab your picture right in front of the Las Vegas sign with Hershey's Chocolate Bar and Hershey's Kiss. There's also oversized Hershey chocolate bars. I'm going to take a picture right now with this really large Hershey syrup bottle. I might just pour it over some chocolate milk or some ice cream. Whatever you choose to do with your Hershey's syrup, I'm sure will make any dessert or treat better. Here's another tip when visiting Hershey's World in Las Vegas. If you visit the store around 10 p.m., there are shorter queues for the lines, and the lighting is lower. It's more ambient, and it's better for photo taking. Just remember that Hershey's Chocolate World is free to all visitors. They're open Sunday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. and Friday and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. Admission is always free. It's a vibrant, high-energy atmosphere full of families and kids exploring. Expect bustling foot traffic, especially during peak hours. Don't forget to try the oversized cookies, freshly made desserts, chocolate-dipped strawberries, and more in the bake section. And on your way out, don't forget to stop by the chocolate bar, but you need to be 21 or over. It's a destination that you may want to stop by and visit on your next Vegas vacation. I'm Elisa with Elisa Does Vegas. If you enjoyed this content, please be so kind to give me a like or even click subscribe.